Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about how working out will change your life and how it is so beneficial and so amazing to add a workout routine or some kind of fitness routine into your daily life. So if you guys are new to my channel, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So I personally believe that everybody has goals and dreams of how they want their body to look and what they envision for their health and their wellness and how they view themselves, where they're like, well, I want to have this toned or that toned or have a six-pack or just be really healthy or whatever your goal might be. Everyone has a goal and everyone has a path of what they want for that goal. So the biggest misconception with working out that I believe is that people get so caught up in what their goal is. So like, I want to lose 25 pounds by the end of the summertime. Well, I hate to break it to you guys, but goals become unrealistic really fast. And it is really brutal when you're trying to work out, trying to eat healthy, trying to take care of yourself, and then you have this massive goal that puts like all this pressure and this anxiety and all of this stress on your workout. And that is the biggest thing that people do wrong in the gym and do wrong with any fitness that they're doing, is they let that goal consume everything. So what I'm here to tell you guys is to throw that out the window. So like, don't throw your goals out the window, but put your goal over there and make measurable goals in between now and that goal. Because if you just go to the gym every day and you're like, I'm gonna lose 25 pounds by the end of the summertime, well, I hate to break it to you, but all you're doing is creating stress and anxiety and awfulness in your workout. So learning to work out from a place where you're excited about doing something good for your body, that you're excited about nourishing and taking care of your body and making it stronger and making it healthier and detoxing all the crap out of your skin and your organs and your everything, and just focusing on why you're actually at the gym is to take care of your life and take care of yourself and to take control of your life and to feel better and to feel happier and more excited. I'm going to share with you guys my tips on why the gym is so great for you once you throw out those massive stressful goals that create all of this tension, because it's just creating more tension in your body and more stress, and we don't work out for that reason. We work out to better ourselves. So the number one best reason for working out is the physicality of it. So physically moving your body, moving your muscles, your ligaments, your joints, moving every part of your body, stretching and strengthening those ligaments and those muscles and changing the physical state that your body is in. Because if you walk around feeling good and feeling strong and feeling like empowered by the workout that you just had, then you're going to feel like a happier, healthier person. So it is so beneficial to detox your body, get your muscles moving. It's like moving your body is one of the greatest things you can do for your overall health, let alone just your physicality of your health. So when you're physically moving everything, you're helping remove stress and tension out of your body, out of your joints, out of your muscles, because we get very conditioned to sit in an office desk all day and go to jobs and go to work, and we're sitting in our body and we're just like bleh, and we're slumped forward and we're never like activating anything, moving anything, strengthening anything. So it's so good to do all of that, to move every part of you. And then also like the physical effect it has on your brain. So like all of those release feel good, oxytocin, everything that releases when you work out is so healthy for your brain, your organs, like the actual movement of your body, like getting on a treadmill and moving your body. When you actually like think about the science behind what's happening, like what it's doing to your body, is so crazy. And that is like the greatest result, is like doing something with your body will create so much amazingness in your life and in your, like if you just think about the basic science of like why you're working out and working, like when you're working out, that it's like look at what my body is doing, like it's crazy. Okay, and then moving in to your mental health. Working out is going to do the most amazing things for your mental health. I work out to maintain and to combat my mental health, my anxiety and my depression that I get. Like, it is just so insane the effect that exercise can have on your brain and have on your body, and how it will actually change the state of your mental health. Like, it helps me manage my mental health day in and day out. Like, if I don't move and get active and like get that stress relief out and get everything moving, I can feel a complete difference when I don't do anything. When you become stagnant in your body, that's when you get disease and illness and sickness. If you keep moving and keep bettering your body and giving it nourishment and giving it tools that will give you so much result, is going to change your mental health so much. Just moving your body, even if it's just walking. Like, you don't have to do cycling or vigorous workouts or heavy weights. Even just walking, like getting your body out of this like hunched over, sitting in an office desk all day, driving in your car hunched over all the way to and from work, coming home and sitting on the couch as a couch potato all night long. Like, none of that is doing any good for our bodies. We're just sitting stagnant in the same position where we're never doing anything with our body. So moving it, working on the physicality like I talked about, and then your mental health is just like, oh my god, it's so insane. Like, I can't even tell you guys the benefit and effect it has had on my mental health. Like, so crazy. Like, you can look up all the studies you want, you can listen to anybody else who talks about this, but like, that is like my biggest driving force. Is like, I care about my mental health so much, and I care about combating those issues and that anxiety and that stress in my body that I live with every single day in and day out. And it's like the only way that I can like push out of that zone and regain like my strength and be like, I got this, like, I'm in control. And like, you take control of your life when you start to move it and to improve your body and to help your body be the best possible thing that it can be. And then of course, stress is linked massively into your mental health if you do struggle with mental health. But we all have stresses. We all have kids to pick up from school, or we have jobs that are stressful, or we have a parent who is sick, or a friend who is sick. We've got to do all these things, go to the grocery store, pick up prescriptions, and go to the dentist, and then go here, and then go there, and there's all these things like going like this, and you're like, how do you freaking breathe? Like, you don't. You start freaking out, you start stressing out, you create anxiety, you create havoc on your body, because life is freaking stressful, and there's way too much shit to do. But that is life, and that is what happens in this life, is that there's lots to do and lots of stresses, and the best way to combat your stress is to move your body, to exercise, to change the state of where your body is sitting right now, and to get excited and to get moving. And whether it's a crazy sweat session or whether it's a yoga class, like, just finding something that fits for you, that makes you feel de-stressed. Because I know for me, yoga is like my de-stressor. Like, if I don't go to my Saturday yoga, I feel like a crazy person, because it's like my only time to like de-stress from my life. So finding de-stressing tips and tricks is like so crucial, and finding a workout that works great for you. And then my final tip on why exercise is so amazing for you is your mindset. Your mindset, your mindset, your mindset. This is probably like the biggest shift in exercise and working out and taking care of yourself, is like the difference in like your positivity and your mindset of how you view the world and how you see things and how you do things. Like, it's just monumental in helping you feel like, so you go work out, you feel less stressed out, you move your body, you feel good, you're setting goals, reaching goals, and then you're done all of that, and then you leave, you go home, and you're like, oh, you're like, life is great, I feel great, my workout was great, you got all that oxytocin running through your body, and you're like, yes, 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 check, 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 I feel awesome. So you're going to leave with a great mindset, you're going to feel awesome about your body, about what you just achieved, about your everything, and then you're going to go into the rest of your life with a positive mind and a positive state, and you're going to be excited most of the time about what's going on, and it will help you cope with all of the things that life throws at you, because like I said, life is a shit show. So it makes such a difference. Like, when I finish a workout, I'm like, okay, I feel great. Like, my body feels great, my mind feels great, my stress level is gone. Like, there's just so much positivity that comes from exercise and comes from your mindset being flipped. Like, it makes you want to work harder at your routine next time that you go to the gym, or it makes you want to like set goals and have like aspirations where you're like, ooh, what can I do to like benefit my health more? And you start looking at other aspects of your life and start going, okay, how can I improve these things? And it will give you that like insane mindset to be like, I can accomplish whatever I want to accomplish. So those are all my tips for you guys. So basically at the end of the day, throw out all of those goals, those massive goals of like, I want to get jacked, or I want to have this massive this, or I want to lose all of this weight, because all you're doing is creating more stress and anxiety around your fitness. Just simply move into a place where you're excited about the workout, you're excited about what you're doing, you're excited about the change you're doing to your body and how you're benefiting your health and improving your health. And with that, the goals will come. As you consistently find a routine of healthy living and taking care of your body, your mind, your stress, your anxiety, all of the rest of the things will fall into place, because goals don't happen overnight, and losing weight or gaining muscle or whatever your goal is doesn't happen overnight. But it will happen over time if you consistently do these things and improve and work on a better you and a better body that you're living in. So those are my tips for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.